last night. I'm like very stuffy, like I've basically lost most of my taste, like I can't really eat. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm here and I wanted to hop on here real quick to update you guys. My daughter's in the back. She's sick, she's not feeling so good, but she's still pushing through, you know, she's still playing. So I'm officially sick. So the cold that my daughter have at this point, it might be flu, I'm not sure. I have it full blown, like I'm not feeling 100. I ran a low temperature. Yes, my love. Okay, let me bring you. Come. Okay. She's here, guys. So she's letting you guys know that she's here. So she's here. So yeah, so I have the cold. I ran a temperature last night. I'm like very stuffy, like I've basically lost most of my taste, like I can't really eat. All I've had all morning was some warm lemon juice with orange and some hot water, and I'm trying now. I even brought it in here with me because I'm so weak. I want to keep laying down. This is a little bit of oatmeal porridge that I made. There's no milk in it. I didn't sweeten it either because I'm trying to stay away from the sugar. So that is it that I have. And I'm gonna try to see if I could get a little bit of stuff in my stomach. Even that little bowl that I showed you guys, it's actually my daughter's soup bowl. Just to show you, if I open my palm, it could cover the whole thing. So it's small, but that should be good. And yeah, so we're not feeling good. Both of us is in sick days today, and I needed to also take my hair down, right? And like apply like oil to my scalp, some of my DIY oil that I made. And I'm supposed to apply it to my scalp. I'm gonna try to do that because I don't want to miss any days, because it's been helping me with my scalp and my hair. So that's what I'm doing today. Yeah, but guys, I am not feeling good, so I'm gonna try to pick up the camera as much as I can today. But that's what we're doing. So she's playing. I'm just gonna let her go play and see if I could have a few spoons of this thing and then get to the hair. But when I get to the hair, I'll get back on here. All right, guys. You know that mama love you so much. Okay. Surprisingly, I didn't lose that much. Just a little bit. Malia, don't mess with that. Do not mess with that. So here it is, guys. Let me take this thing down. Hold on, guys. So yeah, guys, so this is the hair. The hair is growing, right? Remember, this is the hair that I trimmed, you know. The hair that I trimmed, guys. No, mama, don't pick that up. No, mommy. No, mama. No, baby, don't do that. So it's growing, and the good thing about it is it's in a healthy state, and that's all I could ask for. I don't mind it taking its own little time to grow, right? I don't mind that. So remember the spot that I was showing you guys in previous video that had no hair? The hair was gone all the way back to here, so it's coming in. It's coming in a little bit, but it's coming in. Coming in, and this one is doing much better, as you can see, in comparison. It's coming in. Yeah. I just wanted to hop on here and if you guys could see, because I moisturize, what I do is I put it in this and I warm it. Some of my DIY hair oil, and I warm it, guys. So after I warm it, then I apply it to my scalp. So I'm not really, guys, I'm just gonna do this. My daughter knocked down the ring light. I'm not using it right now. I'm using the natural light from my bedroom window, because it seems like in the daytime I have really good light from my bedroom window. Malia, leave this thing alone. Leave it. Don't mess with that, okay? Don't mess with it. Yeah, so I have really good light. Okay, this is not coming out. Really good light from my bedroom window. So it's easier to just do a lot of stuff in here as long as it's not kitchen related. And then I don't know, for some reason, I just rather, okay, it's coming up now. I just rather make my videos here, as I said, once it's not kitchen related. And there's a TV in the living room, but I like to watch the one in our bedroom. I'm not putting the grease in or the oil in any particular order, because I do moisturize my hair every 2 days or as needed, you know. You're gonna have to do that as needed. Okay. Yes, my love. What are you doing? But this is just a thorough one, because every now and then you have to take the braids down and get this done. But I'm gonna see how it looks, guys. So when I do this now and I get it on the root, I just make sure I get it evenly distributed throughout the entire section of the hair. All right. And one of the ways to do that is this that I'm doing. Just make sure it gets on the end. You know, gotta make sure it gets on the end. Okay. Malia, don't mess with anything there, my love. Yeah, do you want to play with your cell phone? Yeah, go ahead and play with your cell phone. Play with your cell phone, my baby. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure it gets all over. And the hair is properly moisturized. And the ends are getting what it needs. And this is just temporary. I'm not gonna leave them like that, guys, but yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing for now to get the stuff all over. As you can see, it's behind my ear, so I might not need to put it at this section. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, guys, and I'll get back on here so we could chit chat. Hey guys, so this is where we're at. I'm just doing it in 3. The hair grew enough for me to be able to do that, so I did one big one here and this one big one in the top, and then I have the last one remaining over here. Malia, what are you doing? So yeah, guys, I just wanted to hop on here real quick to check in with you guys, and also wanted to give you a quick update on me and my daughter, also a health update. So as in, I've been going through some stuff, some hormonal imbalance stuff with my PCOS. I have a video that I made on struggling with PCOS. I've been diagnosed now with it for about 11 years, and so far they have not found anything sustainable or suitable to actually manage it. The only thing they keep suggesting is diet and exercise, which I've done that. They've intervened with surgical intervention. None of it has helped me so far. So basically, fast forward to what that's just the backstory. So fast forward to what I'm trying to say now. I mean, it's not, obviously it's not parted clean, but it doesn't matter at this point. I just wanted to, like, the hair to be, you know, fixed up so it's not let go all over the place. So yeah, so that is it, guys. But yeah, so yeah, I been going through it. So I've been going to the doctor a lot recently, and you guys will eventually see those videos. And I have to do blood work and do a lot of tests. So basically they wanted to check my A1C level because they wanted to see if my blood sugar level was raising, which it hasn't. Like, I'm fine, I'm not diabetic, but my PCOS is out of control. As a result, I get severe breakout hyperpigmentation, which there's a few medication that is on shelf that I could probably use for it, but I need prescription, and some of them were offered and prescribed, but my daughter's still breastfeeding, so I had to shelf them. I can't take it because it will go in the breast milk, and there's a medication that when you use on your skin, if you do want to have more children, it will actually cause deformity, and it's not worth it. I'm not planning on having any more children or thinking about babies right now, but oh, that sounds, yeah, but basically what I'm saying is I'm not thinking about a child right now, but I don't want to jeopardize my 10-month-old nursing because I want my skin to clear up. It's not like I'm in pain or anything. It's just that the discoloration a lot, and this is one of the reasons I have them. Yeah, you want to come up? Okay, hold on. Here, let mommy wipe your nose. Hold on, guys. Here, let me wipe your nose. Come. Okay. I'm here. I know, my love. Come. Yeah, guys. So here's Malia, still running. Nose. Come, mama, wipe your nose. Come on, wipe your nose. Come. Let me wipe your nose. It's okay. I know. And I damp the napkin. See, you didn't want me to you didn't want me to clean your face before, right? You're fighting me. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use the wipes. Good girl. Good girl. I love you. Okay. So I didn't want to jeopardize her well-being because I'm trying to fix hyperpigmentation. So what I was saying is one of the reasons why I haven't shaved my brows in a while is because if I do, it's gonna be white and up here is darker, and then I had a lot of breakouts on my face. So honestly, so far, guys, I've been coming up with my own home remedies that I've been using that has been keeping it somewhat under control. It's not at its best, but I'm getting some results till I could actually use this stuff on my skin. But as of now, I can't use it because my darlings still like to nurse. Hey, love. So yeah, guys, so the plan of treatment is for me to go on some kind of hormonal contraceptive to try to see if that will fix some of the issue. But I've tried that in the past. It never worked for me. I've had IUD, never worked for me, never helped. I've never had the injection, and I've never had the implant, which they put in your arm. I've never had those two, but I've tried countless oral contraceptive, the hormonal one, to help. It never helped. So I'm just gonna follow the plan of the doctor so far, and I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. But as of now, we're just having cold. Like, I don't know if it's a flu, but the baby was sick first for like she's been sick for about 4 days now, and then I got sick 4 days, 3 days, 4 days. Maybe, yeah, about 4 days now she's been sick, and then just I started getting sick yesterday. Like, my throat right now is like hurting. It feels like I'm swallowing razors. So that's what I've been dealing with, and we're just in the room today. I mean, I showered her already. She's good. She's playing, you know, but she still has a runny nose. So every now and then I have to pick her up, check her to make sure, because she knows, because she will try to wipe herself. So I have to make sure, because I don't want her to reinfect herself. I want it to come out and I get rid of it. But other than that, she ate. She's still funny. And yeah, and then, you know, I did this little thing with my hair. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, and hopefully everyone is having an amazing day. I definitely having a good day. I just need to feel better. And as far as my migraines go, like, you guys could check out the channel, you will see, like, it hasn't been great, but it's nowhere as bad as it was before. So I'm just so grateful. I'm like giving God thanks, because when that migraine happened, it shifts everything. Like, when it's at its worst or it's intense, it shifts everything, because it messes with my eyes. And I do wear glasses, but when my head is hurting that bad, I can't see through the glasses. I can't even see. Let me see. I can't even see through the glasses either. So that's a lot. So one of the reasons why I'm inside today, I can't go out in the sun because the headache, then it affect my eyes. So my forehead area to the top of my head and both temples, like pounding, and yeah. So I want to thank you guys so much for supporting, and I appreciate every person that comment, every person that likes my videos, just everyone that has subscribed. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will continue to bring content. And if you enjoy the videos that I bring and share, you know, you could go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, because I know I have a lot of people that view but are not subscribed. Check out some of my videos, see if you're interested in the content that I post, and go ahead and like, share, subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. And I have a few videos that are set to be released, but I think I might release this one before. But guys, thank you again, and I'm gonna see you in another video. You wanna say bye, mommy? Okay guys, bye bye.